What? All you all think smoking kills? Hehe, let me tell you something. Do you know the amount of people dying from diabetes are 3 times as many people dying from smoking? Yet, if I put a Snicker bar, nobody would say anything. Do you know the leading cause of lung cancer is not actually a cigarette? It's your DNA. You could smoke for years and nothing would ever happen to you. This whole war against smoking is just to restrict the farming of tobacco. Mr. Conte's chair, fellow Toastmaster and guest, I used this argument, even though just made him up, with a group of my friends, and the results, 5 of them believed what I said. 2 of them started smoking. Words, when said and articulated in the right way, can change someone's mind. They can alter someone's belief. You have the power to bring someone in the slum of life and make a successful person out of them. Or destroy someone's happiness using only your words. Does that seem a bit too good to be true? A simple choice of word can make a difference between someone accepting or denying your message. You can have a beautiful things to say but say it in the wrong words and I have a son who is 4 and he has this bad habit on writing on the walls with crayons. And one evening I walk into his room and again he's doing at it, just writing and drawing and so on. And I said, hey, are you stupid? Don't you ever do that again. And guess what happened? He did it again. Nobody likes to be treated. Nobody likes to be intimidated. His pride will not allow it. He did it again just to spite me. A week later, I walk into his room, and again, he's doing at it. And this time, he was even looking at me. I came down and just said, Sweetie, come. Don't do that. You're a big boy now. And he never did that again. Because his pride wants him to be the big boy. Have you ever wondered why nobody cares about global warming? Even it's a very serious issue. It could kill all of us. Because when you go home and you flip on the TV and you see a scientist trying to talk about global warming, it goes something like this. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in the graphs, the statistics show 2014, the water level is rising. This table shows the monoxide level in the third ozone layer is in very alarming position. The message never get across. But most importantly, if you're a person who is a role model, if you're a person who's been admired, anything you say could be believed. Anything you utter could be seen as truth. My friend Nasser, he loved his father. He idealized his father. He would do anything to make him happy. But his father's the kind of person who was not easily to impress. Year after year, Nasser tried. But his father's like, nah. First year college, Nasser gets straight A's. And he thought to himself, this is it. This is what will finally make my dad proud. He picked up the phone and called his father. Dad, I got straight A's. Are you proud? Please tell me you're proud, father. Yes, son. I'll call you back. I'm busy. I'm busy. A simple sentence that broke the camel's back. And he started drinking. Doing drugs. Hanging out with the wrong crowd. Nasser, why? Why are you throwing your life away? If the one person in the world that I care about the most doesn't care then why should I? And one evening I received a phone call. Nasser is in the emergency room. Drug overdose. I rushed into that hospital and I saw him on that bed. And I saw that machine goes beep, beep, beep. And I saw the doctor try to bring him back to life. Clear, 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 clear. A simple word that could save his life. Words have power. Words are power. Words could be your power. word can change a life, inspire your nation, and make up this world a beautiful place. Doesn't that what we all want? Isn't that why we all in this hole? Your mouth can spit venom, or it can mend a broken soul. Ladies and gentlemen, let that be our goal.